Hi. So, we're gonna play some slime, and we are going to play with the fluffy slime, and here it is. I was already playing with it, and the Pringle. So it's kind of hard to get out. And I do have a desk. So, and sorry about the mess here. And it does have, it's so huge. And the container is, small. It does make sound effects if you hear it closely. So that's the sound effects. And it is kind of stretchy. I just put it, well, when I bite it, it was so sticky that I was playing with it when I was in the cart. You know, like those cart, yeah? I was in the car and I was playing with it. Then I got my whole hand sticky with slime. It was covered like this, but more worse. It was everywhere. So then I told my mom that I had to go to the bathroom and wash my hands. And then my mom said, the bathrooms are closed. Maybe you can just use tissue. And it did work. So, yeah. But I add some of this, and maybe we can, yeah. And so then maybe this YouTube, yeah, so then maybe, and maybe, okay, maybe, that, okay, maybe this container, in this container, wait, I'm gonna switch it. You say this? What's in here? And this is the slime. Ah, I made a drop. So, let's, wow. Okay. And here's the lid. Oh. And here's the lid again. The lid doesn't work. And let's just put the slime in here. Okay, I think it's gonna be so hard to even do it. So I got some slime in there. Okay. So, wow. And then let's put the lid on. And then just, okay. So this is what it looks like. And, yes, and the lid. So be dried tomorrow. And sorry about these stuff. It's just my painting and some candy, and don't worry about those pictures. So, what are you? Oh. So then, I think we're just gonna switch it with the old ones. Because really, this wasn't a good idea. Because now it's stuck in here. Okay. Oh. Okay, so let's just put the pink slime in here and then the lid. Oh, and I do have like more slime. And 4+ and I'm 8 years old. So I already got it, and it does have good sound effects. Like, what kind of slime has that kind of sound effect? And then, maybe, yeah. And these are the ingredients. And those are the pens. So, yeah, bye.